When you need an old work switch box to add a device or receptacle to an existing wall, it's imperative that you first cut the hole opening to the size of a 2x3 inch switch box. Part number CB-8 has 1/2 inch conduit knockouts all the way around and 2 1/2 inch conduit knockouts in the bottom. It also comes with easy snap-in clips that are designed to work right inside the box. After you install the box in the wall opening, you simply snap in the clip like so and tighten down the screw, which brings the clip tight against the drywall for a secure mount every time. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.